Now get a grown-up's help to put these in the oven and bake them for 10 minutes. Carefully, easy does it. And here it is, kids. The Holiday Hershey's Snowcaps. Aren't they delicious? Bon appetit. Here is the dish. Hershey's Holiday Snowcap a la mode. And it sure is delicious. Tastes good too. See you next time on the Chef Jack Show for another dish.